boarding the ferry to Peng Chau. Grabe, ang init-init na ng balat ko. This is my first time, guys. I tour you. As usual, mahilig ako sa taas, so let's go to the top. Iwan ko lang kung ano. Tingnan mo yung dog. This is interesting. You know, I deliver plant and at the same time I'm touring. Tour. Ang hirap mag ano. Ayun na, nandun yung lama, guys. At the same time I tour from Discovery Bay, from Central to Discovery Bay, from Discovery Bay to Peng Chau. From Peng Chau to Central. I love it. Matatagalan ako. It's gonna take me long hour. This is like all day of journey. But I love it. It's not happening all day. I mean, every year of my life. I'm taking each opportunity for me. I'm so excited to see them. I visited my friend. I forgot to take picture and video. I even forgot the dog. Oh my god, I forgot to take picture. Go up. Okay, let's go up. I can feel the boat is moving now. Maniningil na pala siya ng bayad. I remember Philippines in this style. Maniningil siya ng bayad. So, I'm glad I have money here. Dali lang yan. Baka lumipan yung pera ko. Enjoy nyo muna man ako. Right guys, that's the Marina Bay. That's where we came from before. Thank you so much. Ayun, binayaran ko na siya. Ang ganda-ganda ng style. While on board, magbabayad ka. First time ko yan in Hong Kong. I've been here like more than 10 years. This is my first time to ride a boat, a ferry, na you have to pay on board while the cashier carry the cash, the change, collecting the fare. How cool. And then there are so many birds following us because there are fish. So, galing ako doon. So, hindi ko na siya madaanan. So, I was right when I say Disneyland. That area is Disneyland. Disneyland. I came from that area, man. And I will go to the other island. It's gonna be Hong Kong Island. Hong Kong Island, Discovery Bay. How beautiful. Very nice. Nakiki-fly sila sa amin. Oh my God, it's a beautiful scenery. It's a beautiful scenery. Ang ganda. Gusto nila sumama sa camera, man. Come on, come here. Punta ako sa likod. I want to see the birds. Uy, nawala sila. So, I came from there. Discovery Bay. Akala ko yung Discovery Bay is one island only. Ngayon ko nalaman, diba? Ngayon ko nalaman yung Discovery Bay is Lantau Island din pala siya. So, I need to study geography in Hong Kong, guys. Akala ko yung Disneyland at saka Lantau Ala, nakakuha silang fish. It looks like they're swimming, but no, they're picking up fish. I really wanna have a really nice camera para ma-focus ko yung mga pinagdadampot nila. You know,